Okay, so I've got a banging signal here. I'm going to try and do a live. It's on my headphones, unfortunately, so I'm not going to drop it off. But you see, 82, 83, it's around the coin area. So I'm just going to get the spade and dig it. I can remember where it was. Where was it? Okay. About 5 hands at once here trying to do it. So just dig in the hole, see what comes out. Some good finds today. Really pleased today. Let's get one of them camera mounts, won't I? So nothing come out yet, or nothing's in the hole, so I'll try and dig down a bit further. Might be quite deep, I think, from what the depth said. So let's dig a bit deeper. I'm usually a bit better than this with 2 hands. Let's get pinpointer. Pinpointer's on the end of the Q35. Let's have a look. Yeah. Right, well, I've already got a signal here, so. Okay, so should be around there somewhere. A bit to dig out. I'll use my hands with the gloves so don't get anything sharp stabbing me. Still not found it, so it's still further down. Yeah, quite deep down in it, well, looks it. Surprising how some of these items just get so deep, to be honest, yeah. Especially like little buttons and things like that. That's it baffles me, but it is what it is. I've got this in there. So whatever it is. Let's see. Maybe it's that. What we got? What we got? We got a buckle. Wow, that is a spectacle buckle, and they date 1600s. Those. That's post-medieval or medieval, maybe. That is stunning, absolutely stunning. Nothing unlike what I found today. I found quite a few things from the medieval period, so absolutely wonderful.